Hello students, welcome back to today's new video lecture here. In the previous lecture, we have studied definition of alcohols and classification of alcohols, that is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric. And then on the basis of position of OH groups, monohydric alcohols are further classified as primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Then allylic alcohols, benzylic alcohols and vinylic alcohols. That much part already we have completed in the previous lecture. Now, today we are going to see here nomenclature of alcohols. Now, first of all, we will see here common name method. Here in this common name method it is also known as trivial system. According to common name method, listen carefully. According to common name method, first we have to write the name of an alkyl group and followed by the word alcohol. Thus, common name of alcohols, that is alkyl alcohol. Now see here, according to this system, suppose the alcohol is like this, CH3OH. Now according to common name system, we have to write the name of this CH3 group. CH3 group is known as methyl group and it is followed by the word alcohol. Therefore, the name of this CH3OH is alcohol. Similarly, if you take another example like this, CH3CH2OH. Here now, it is a CH3CH2 means ethyl group. It is ethyl followed by the word alcohol. And if there are more than 2 carbon atoms, then we have to use the prefixes like N, sec, iso, nuo, tert. That depends upon the position of OH group. Now see here, methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, all these alkyl groups, they are known as alkyl groups, and word alcohol, that is common, that is alcohol. Alkyl, therefore, all alcohols according to common name system, they are known as alkyl alcohols. So if there are more than 2 carbon atoms like this, CH3, CH2OH, now this OH group is attached to this carbon atom. It is primary carbon atom. Therefore, it is known as N-propyl alcohol. It means that whenever more than 2 carbon atoms are present, then we have to use the prefixes like N, iso, nuo, sec and tert. That is, now already we have discussed this method in 11th also. ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला 11वीमध्ये ही मेथड शिकवलेलीच आहे. त्यात काही एक्झाम्पल्स मी आता इथे घेतलेली आहेत, 1-2 एक्झाम्पल्स इथे घेतलेत. त्यानंतर शेवटी पुन्हा सगळे एकत्रित काही एक्झाम्पल्स मी घेणार आहे. हे इट इज रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द alkyl. You have to remember only alkyl alcohol. Means to write the common name, we have to first write the name of alkyl group and then followed by the word alcohol. That you have to remember. Now it is regarding about the common name system. Now then, after that, there is one more system that is to be used for the nomenclature of alcohols, particularly for the nomenclature, that is known as carbinol system. Carbinol system or carbinol method. Generally, there are 2 methods, common name method and IUPAC methods are used for the naming of organic compounds. But here in alcohols, there is one more method, that is carbinol system. According to carbinol system, first member, that contains only 1 carbon atom, that is CH3OH, is the first member of alcohol series. That first member is considered as, or it is known as carbinol. म्हणजे अल्कोहोलचा जो पहिला मेंबर आहे अल्कोहोल सिरीजमधला, ज्यामध्ये फक्त एकच कार्बन असतो, फर्स्ट मेंबर, त्या मेंबरचं नाव या सिस्टीमनुसार कार्बिनॉल हे दिलेलं आहे. अँड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिस्टीम, हायर अल्कोहोल्स आर कन्सिडर्ड ॲज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ कार्बिनॉल. म्हणजे कार्बिनॉल ह्याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ज कन्सिडर केलेले आहेत. इट मीन्स दॅट लाईक दिस CH3CH2OH, whenever there is one carbon atom, that is known as carbinol. Therefore, this much part, it is known as carbinol. Okay, एक कार्बन असणारा आणि त्याला OH ग्रुप अटॅच झाला त्याला कार्बिनॉल म्हणतो आपण. आणि याच्यानंतर मग आणखी याला काय अटॅच आहे, CH3 ग्रुप म्हणून याचं नाव आहे. देअरफॉर इट इज नेम्ड ॲज मिथिल कार्बिनॉल. CH First member that contains one carbon atom, carbinol. Higher alcohols are considered as derivatives of carbinol. म्हणजेच CH3 एक कार्बन आणला आणि त्याला OH ग्रुप आठा त्याला कार्बिनॉल म्हणा आणि बाकीचा जो ग्रुप आठायचे त्या अल्किल ग्रुपचं नाव लिहायचं. मिथिल देअरफॉर इट इज हे कार्बन CH2ला कार्बिनॉल म्हणालो आपण आणि मागचा जो CH3 ग्रुप आहे त्याला मिथिल म्हणालो म्हणून मिथिल कार्बिनॉल. In this way, suppose we can take the example like this. Another example is like this. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Here again, CH2OH, this much part, it is known as carbinol. Okay. Now what is remaining here? CH3, CH2 means ethyl group. Therefore, the name of this alcohol is ethyl carbinol. That is according to carbinol system. Here now, I have taken one more example here. See here now. If this OH group is present in the middle of the chain like this, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Now, according to common name method, the name of this alcohol is sec-butyl alcohol because this OH group is present attached to this secondary carbon atom. There are four carbon atoms, therefore it is butyl. It is sec-butyl alcohol. Now, this according to carbinol system, this much part it is carbinol. हे झालं कार्बिनॉलचा ग्रुप आणि मग आता हे दोन अल्किल ग्रुप आहे तिथं. इट इज इथिल ग्रुप, इट इज मिथिल ग्रुप. देअरफॉर इट इज द नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू कार्बिनॉल सिस्टम द नेम ऑफ दिस अल्कोहोल इज इथिल मिथिल carbinol. We have to write the names of that alkyl groups in alphabetical order. It is ethyl methyl carbinol. It is one of the system, that is carbinol system, particularly used in alcohols for the naming of alcohols only. म्हणजे अल्कोहोल्सच्या नॉमेनक्लेचरमध्ये फक्त ही मेथड वापरली जाते. देन नाऊ विल गो टू द IUPAC मेथड. IUPAC मेथडसुद्धा मी तुम्हाला 11वीमध्ये ऑलरेडी शिकवलेली आहे. त्याचं रिपिटेशन करतो मी आज पुन्हा एकदा. हियर सपोज द structure is like this, CH3OH. Okay, here according to IUPAC system. Now again here I have not given here the rules used by that IUPAC method in detail. Just we have to use that rules. Select the longest continuous carbon chain as a parent alkane. Select the longest continuous carbon chain containing functional group, that is hydroxyl group, as a parent alkane. Give the numbering to the selected carbon chain. Start the numbering from that end which is nearer from that OH group. That is the second one. Then after that, if any alkyl group is present on the selected carbon chain, then denote its position and write its name. Then finally, we have to write the name of parent alkane. But we have to replace that ending E. That is important. We have to remember this one. You have to remember this one. Ending E is replaced by OL. It is important. It is according to, it is only for the aliphatic alcohols. E is replaced by OL. That you have to remember. It is important. Here now, suppose the first member of the alcohol series is that CH3OH. It contains one carbon atom. Therefore, parent alkane is methane. METHANE. But E is replaced by OL. Therefore, the name of this compound is methanol. Similarly, CH3, CH2OH. Here now this compound contains, this alcohol contains two carbon atoms. Therefore, parent alkane is ethane and therefore it is ethanol. If there are three carbon atoms like this, 1, 2, 3 and OH group is here. Now, if more than two carbon atoms are present, then we have to denote the position of OH group. Here 1, 2, give the numbering to this chain. We have to give the numbering from that end which is nearer from this OH group. Here is CH2. We have to attach these hydrogen atoms to balance the valence of that carbon atom. Here now CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Here now parent alkane is propane. E is replaced by OL, propanol. But whenever there are more than two carbon atoms are present, then we have to denote the position of this OH group. Here, therefore, it is propan 1-ol. Propan 1-ol or propan 1-ol is the IUPAC name of this alcohol because 1 is the position, because this OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. Now, Then after that, suppose the alcohol is like this: CH3, CH, CH3, OH is here. Now the common name, see here now, common name of this alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. Carbonyl system, according to carbonyl system, dimethyl carbinol. And according to IUP system, 1, 2, 3, parent alkene is propane, PROPAN. But OH group is present to the second attached to the second carbon atom. Therefore, the IUPAC name of this alcohol is propanol. It means that methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, togetherly they are also known as, therefore they are also known as alkanols. Hence, according to IUPAC system, alcohols are known as alkanols. Now it is regarding about the IUPAC method. Here now, for naming of the polyhydric alcohols, ending E is retained for naming of polyhydric alcohols. See here now, for naming of polyhydric alcohols, ending E is retained. For naming of polyhydric alcohols, ending E is replaced. I have taken here some more examples. I will repeat it once again later on. Suppose polyhydric alcohols means that contains more than 2 OH groups, 2, 3, 4 like this. Here, it is example of polyhydric alcohol. It is also polyhydric alcohol. Common name is ethylene glycol. Here now, suppose the polyhydric alcohol is there. For writing the name of this polyhydric alcohol, ending in monohydric alcohols, E is replaced by OL. But in case of polyhydric alcohols, E is retained. It means that there is no replacement of that B by OL. Therefore, it is parent alkane is ethane. It is ethane 1, 2 diol. The name of this compound is ethane 1, 2 diol. This E it is to be retained. हे जे ई लिहिलं मी या ईच्या ऐवजी OL येत नसतं तर हा ई इथे रिटेन करायचा आहे. Similarly, if there are 3 OH groups are there like this: CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Here now, here it is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. It is parent alkane is propane, PROPANE. We have to retain this E 1, 2, 3 because first OH is present on this first carbon atom. It is present on second carbon. It is present on the third carbon atom. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. There are totally 3 OL, 3 OH groups. Therefore, it is we have to use the prefix like tri, and then finally we have to write the OL. Therefore, propane 1, 2, 3 triol. It is the name of this alcohol. These are the examples of polyhydric alcohols. It means that in case of polyhydric alcohols, we have to retain that E. And for naming of cyclic alcohols, suppose the example is like this. It is a cyclic alcohol. It is a cyclic ring. It contains 4 carbon atoms. For the naming of cyclic alcohols, we have to use prefix like cyclo before the name of parent alkane. Parent alkaneचं नाव याचं ब्युटेन आहे 4 कार्बन असल्यामुळे. But before the name of this butane, we have to write the word cyclo. Therefore, it is cyclobutane. E is replaced by OL. Therefore, it is cyclobutanol. It is cyclobutanol. Similarly, we can write the name of this alcohol like this. Suppose the alcohol is like this. It is a pentane. But we have to use the prefix like cyclo. It is cyclopentane. E is replaced by OL. Therefore, name of this compound is cyclopentanol. I have given all these examples in our notes also. First of all, you have to watch this video. First of all, you watch this video carefully and then prepare the notes. Already I have given the notes to this side. This one. This side I have given the notes, and I have to this side I have given the explanation. Now it is regarding about the just nomenclature of alcohols. Here I have taken some examples now. For examples are there like this. Here now see this one. All that rules already I have given here also. See this one. Nomenclature, rules for the common name system. Then these are the rules for the carbonyl system, and then after that IUPAC system rules here, and then below that I have taken here the examples. Now just I will explain one by one. CH3OH. Here in these examples I have not taken here carbonyl system name. Just I have taken here common name and then IUPAC name. Here I have Please make such 3 columns: structure, common name, IUPAC name. According to common name system, first we have to write the name of alkyl group followed by the word alcohol. Therefore, it is named. They are also known as alkyl alcohols. And in IUPAC system, we have to replace parent alkane. We have to replace the E of parent alkane by OL. Therefore, alcohols are also known as alkanols. Here it is alkanol. Here I have taken the examples like this: CH3OH, common name is methyl alcohol, IUPAC name is methanol. CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, ethanol. CH3CH2CH2OH, N-propyl alcohol, propanol. And here CH3CHOH, CH3, it is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is also known as sec propyl alcohol. And here common name, IUPAC name of that alcohol is propan-2-ol. Here now I have taken here some more examples of the polyhydric alcohols also there. See this one, it is again secondary alcohol, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Name of this alcohol is sec-butyl alcohol because 4 carbon atoms are there, it is a butyl group. And OH group is attached to the second carbon atom, therefore parent alkane is butane. E is replaced by OL. But before that, we have to denote the position of that OH group, therefore it is butan-2-ol. Then here now, common name of this alcohol is isobutyl alcohol. Iso, we have to use the prefix when there is one methyl group on the second carbon atom. At that time, we have to use the prefix iso. Therefore, total 4 carbon atom, therefore isobutyl alcohol. That is the common name. And here, 1, 2, 3, we have to give the numbering like this: 1, 2, 3. There is a methyl group on the second carbon atom, therefore 2-methyl propan, 1-ol, propan, propan, 1-ol. We have to write like this. इथं थोडंसं चुकीचं झालेलं आहे, याला दुरुस्त करून घ्या असं 1-ol. Now it is a third butyl alcohol. OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, therefore it is third butyl alcohol. Butyl because 4 carbon atoms, म्हणून butyl. OH group tertiary carbon म्हणून third butyl. Here now to 1, 2, 3. There is a 1 methyl group on the second carbon, therefore 2-methyl propan-2-ol is the IUPAC name of this alcohol. CH2OH, CH2OH, ethylene glycol or ethane 1,2-diol. Here now CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, glycerin, glycerol. These are the common names. And propan 1, 2, 3 triol. Here again, I have taken here one more unsaturated alcohol, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2. It is important. It is the common name of this alcohol. It is crotonyl alcohol, and IUPAC name is, there is a double bond. There are 4 carbon atoms. Their parent atom is butane, but there is a double bond between second and third carbon. Therefore, butene, and OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. Therefore, butan-1-ol is the IUPAC name of this alcohol. And then it is a cyclobutanol. It is cyclopentanol. There is a 1 ethyl group on the second carbon atom. Therefore, 2-ethyl cyclopentanol is the IUPAC name of this alcohol. In this way, we have completed the nomenclature of alcohols. Today, we stop here. Thank you.